beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you're new. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. And as you can tell, I do quite a lot of bonus videos as well, so it means that you won't miss anything in the future. Today is a super exciting video. We have been very kindly gifted the March Look Incredible Deluxe, you heard me right, Deluxe Subscription Box. So this is what it looks like. It retails for £35, just having a little look on the website now. And every single month you will either get 4 to 5 full-size products, so no like deluxe sample sizes, no sample sizes, anything like that. All full size, and they're all from high-end brands as well. So none of that little cheap shizness that they're throwing. High-end, baby. So inside this box there are £99 worth of products, and let's just get straight into it. So in this one there are 4 products altogether, and let's just jazz it up. Let's start from the cheapest and work our way up to the most expensive one. So the first one that we're going to look at is the Project Lip Plump and Gloss. This is just what it looks like. It retails for £14 and it's meant to be a lip plumping lip gloss. The colour is definitely something that I would wear. This one is in the shade Addicted. So it says it has collagen and vitamin E. It says your lips will be nourished with a softer, fuller look and feel. You will feel a slight tingle from the lip gloss whilst obviously the lip plumper is working, and then you'll be left with a high shine, glossy finish that's I can't say that word, thoroughly hydrated and smoothed. And it says that it will not feel sticky, it'll be really comfortable, and it lasts a long time throughout the day as well. So straight up that's worth £14. Let me know if you want me to do a video testing this on TikTok, by the way, because I think it'd be really good to see whether it actually does plump up the lips or not. Let's see. Oh, this is a gorgeous colour. That is just what it looks like. I don't think I have many lip glosses that are in this kind of colour as well. So I'd love to see what kind of Luce's lip combo I can come up with that. That's going to be a little series, by the way, that's starting properly on my TikTok next week. So every 2 days next week there'll be a Luce's lip combo over on my TikTok, just Luce Stephenson in case you're wondering what my TikTok name is. Okay, so the next product is from Clarins. This is their 4 all-in-one eyes and lips pencil. So it's kind of like when you were a kid and you used to get, I mean I still buzz over them now, you used to get the little pens where it has like multiple colours in the top and then you can put it down. I have a Lion King one somewhere that has like so many different colours on it. It's basically one of them, but it's something that you can use on your eyes and something that you can use on your lips. And this retails for £25. When you think about it, for Clarins, for 4 eyeliners or 4 lip liners, it's actually a decent price for Clarins, like for a high-end brand. So this is just what it looks like. I think this is really, really fun, especially for Clarins. I feel like Clarins normally play it quite safe with their makeup as well. And the skincare and stuff, they're quite kind of like traditional, very kind of classic brand. And I feel like this is just something fun. So it has 3 different it has 3 eye ones and 1 lip. So let's have a little swatcheroo. So you put it down and then you also twist it up. Okay. Oh, that is super creamy. So that's shade 1. So that is what the 3 eyeliners look like. So we have a black, kind of like a bluey tealy colour, and then also a dark purple, which is really nice. And then let's see what the lip liner swatch is like. Ooh, it's a very vibrant pink. I actually really like this. I feel like as well, it's kind of similar to the colours that you would have got in one of these pens. I think that's just so fun and so different for Clarins as well. And from the little thing that comes inside it, it appears that you can use the lip liner on your eyes as well. It's also eye safe. There isn't anything to say that you can use the eyeliners on your lips though, but I'm assuming probably so. Next up we have something from Elemis. Elemis is such a bougie brand. So this retails for £25. This is basically a sea lavender and is it samphire? Salt scrub. So in the box you could either have got this or you could have got the exact same scent but the bath and shower milk, and that again retails for £25. I'm so glad that I got the scrub because this would be something that I would be more likely to use than like a milk in the shower or in the bath. So I'm really happy that I got the scrub because at least I know I'm going to actually get my use out of it. So it says to refine your skin from head to toe with natural exfoliating body scrub. Sea salt particles buff away dead and rough skin cells, whilst the sea lavender and samphire, I think that's how you pronounce it, extracts help to smooth and hydrate the skin, revealing a smoother, softer and healthy looking glow. It actually says the zeolite based formula actually turns into a rich foam when you're using it in the shower, and it gives kind of like a gentle warming sensation, which will be quite interesting to see what that's actually like in the shower. So yeah, it retails for £25. It's 150ml. Should we see what it smells like? Oh my god, it smells like I don't know how to explain it. It smells like a hot guy, but something that I would also be happy to use on myself. Oh, it just smells really, really nice. It's about £25. Elemis. Bougie. And then last but certainly not least, the most expensive item in this box. This one retails for £34 and it's from Cover FX, and this is actually their brand of the month. So every single box has a brand of the month, and this one is the Enchanting Highlighter Drops. So it says to basically use these custom enhancer drops, basically whatever you want really to have a glow. So this one's in the shade Halo. Haven't tried anything like this from Cover FX, if I remember rightly. £34 as well. Crazy, because the box is worth, it's like £35, so you're literally paying for this one product and an extra £1, because that includes delivery as well, and then getting the rest for free, which is just crazy. It's like it's like unicorn drops. Okay, let's put some on the back of my hand. Oh my god, look at that. And that's like literally the tiniest little bit. Oh my god, that is literally the tiniest bit. Oh wow, like this is just the little bit that's on my finger from rubbing it in. Let's put a little bit on this side as well. Oh, girl, let's see what it says on here. So it says that it gives you kind of the ability to customize it if you want really intense, or if you just want to lightly put some on, like what I've just done on my cheeks. Or obviously you can put a lot more when you use like a lot more than what I've actually got on my hands as well. So it says that it's formulated with high concentrate of ultra refined pearls, and the liquid drops boosts luminosity and highlights the high points of your face to give that kind of contour, that youthful kind of glowy look that everyone's after. I think this with some liquid blusher, because I've literally just bought the new Revolution liquid blusher, this with the liquid blusher, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. And obviously this is full size. All the products that are in here are full size, because that is all that Look Incredible do. Only full size, no deluxe size, no sample sizes. You get your money's worth out of it. So this is like a £99 box for £35, including postage as well. Crazy. This box never ever disappoints, like blows my mind. But as I say, thank you so much to Look Incredible for sending me this box and for working with me again, because we have worked a couple of times in the past as well. So yeah, thank you so much, and thank you to my patrons for being so lovely. We also have an exclusive community with our Patreon, but we also have an exclusive Facebook group and now an exclusive Instagram as well. So if you want to join my little community, it starts as little as £1 a month, and you can cancel whenever you want if you try it and you're like, it's not for me. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you. We're actually nearly at 50 people now. There's like 47 of us, which is just crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.